Hello Rafi, it's Rafi here at Vast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2015 Lexus RX 450h, which is hybrid. The vehicle is in absolutely perfect condition. As you see, it has a brand new brakes, the tires are in excellent condition, it's a Michelin. The body is excellent, interior is black, it's been fully detailed, has a rubber mats as well, has lots of options. This is a top of the line with the memory seats, cooling seats, heated seats, sunroof, the heads up display, and much more. Push button start. Yeah, I didn't bring the key with me. So it has a power lift gate. It does have a blind spot assistance as well. So it has the wooden steering too, which is a great option. Of course, has a navigation, rear adjustable reclining seats for more comfort, and you can adjust it, move it back and forward to have a little bit more room at the back. These are the carpets. It has the trunk cover as well. There's the push button again. Rear brakes, everything was done on the vehicle. It's been already certified and serviced. The oil change was done too. It has this nice film, protecting film on the hood and in the front of the fairing, so it protects the paint from stone chips. The vehicle is available. If you have any questions, you can call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212, and I'll be more than happy to assist you. So I hope we'll see you soon. Thank you.